woman should be elegant, sophisticated, suave.
A woman should be simple, sweet, sympathetic, subordinate.
Sexual, sensual, erotic.
Aren't you glad you're a woman? You can be anything you want to be.
Women are basically emotional. They have a deep need to constantly express themselves.
When I graduated, my parents were ecstatic. They said I could be anything I want to be, as long as I'm happy.